Everyone loves chocolate, so how do we get into healthy chocolates? So this has been the biggest challenge for home bakers and the home chocolatiers, because what we get in market is filled with white sugar, and we want to get rid of white sugar, but then the chocolate is made out of white sugar. So let me show you a way how we can make chocolate with jaggery also, and the khandesari, which is our original form of sugars we have in India. Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. I'm from 32 Degree Studio, and this course is about empowering all the home chocolatiers and the home bakers to make their own healthy chocolates at home in less and less budget. I mean, chocolate is no more factory kind of a thing. I mean, bean to bar can be done by home chocolatiers, and they can achieve it at home also and sell it further also. Chocolate is not about doing retail only. You can help your fellow bakers, fellow chocolatiers, and supply them chocolate by just making a home setup and make your own healthy chocolate.